Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can play this dress to impress game with like the spin the wheel game as well. So basically I'm just going to add in like a lot of fashion styles to wheelofnames.com, and then depending on the theme later I have to dress up according to the theme as well as the style that I've been given. So for instance, I've been given sports and I need to make it like either these formal sport, goth sport, stuff like that. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. But let's just spin the wheel, or should we do it after, like when we find out what the theme is? Okay. So I'm going to spin the wheel now actually. So let's hope I get something good. Please! Oh no, boho. Why did I even put that there? I'm not even good at styling boho. Okay, let's see what the theme's gonna be. Okay, I'll just wait a few more seconds. I'm just going to also turn on my fast walk because this is about to be competitive. Not really, because I probably will suck at this boho theme. First lady? I'm supposed to make the first lady boho? Oh my god. Okay. I mean, no. Wait, okay. And here's my outfit. Yeah, my first lady outfit with a boho theme. It was very hard to do, and I don't think. Why did I press that? I don't think I'm going to get anything from that, but I mean, I've tried, okay? Like, how do you incorporate boho with the first lady? And here is the final result. I don't think I'm gonna place, of course. Oh my god, I placed second. What the heck? Oh my god, I placed second, y'all. I'm so happy. Alright, okay. That is it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!